Mounting a spotlight to a 4S box with a blank cover using the 1/2 inch knockout is not legal. The knockout on a blank cover is intended for passing wires through, not for mounting fixtures. National Electrical Code, or NEC, Section 314.17c states that fixture wires shall be protected by a fixture canopy adapter, or other approved means. NEC Section 410.16 states that metal raceways and fittings shall be equipped with threaded hubs for connection to other metal raceways and to non-metallic raceways. There are two approved methods for mounting a spotlight in a metal barn. Firstly, use a fixture canopy. Install a fixture canopy or fixture canopy adapter onto the 4S box. The spotlight can then be mounted to the canopy. Secondly, use a round plaster ring. Mount a round plaster ring to the 4S box and then attach a weatherproof round cover to the plaster ring. The spotlight can be mounted to the cover. It is recommended to use a round plaster ring and weatherproof round cover. This method is more secure and provides better protection for the fixture wires. When installing any outdoor lighting fixture, it is very important to use weatherproof fixtures to protect the light bulb and internal wiring of the fixture from the elements. This includes rain, snow, ice, and sunlight. It is equally important to ensure that the fixture is compatible with the voltage and wattage of the circuit. In the United States, most residential circuits are either 120 volts or 240 volts. Make certain that the voltage rating of the fixture matches the voltage of the circuit. The wattage rating of the fixture should also be less than the wattage rating of the circuit breaker protecting the circuit. If the wattage rating of the fixture is higher than the wattage rating of the circuit breaker may trip, and the fixture may not work properly. Consider using a ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, for added safety. A GFCI is a device that can detect ground faults. A ground fault is a dangerous condition that can occur when electricity flows through an unintended path to the ground. Ground faults can cause electrical shock, fire, and other serious injuries. GFCIs are designed to protect people from electrical shock by quickly shutting off the power to the circuit if a ground fault is detected. GFCIs are required in many areas of the home, such as bathrooms, kitchens, and outdoors. When choosing a GFCI, it is important to select one that is rated for the environment in which it will be used. For example, a GFCI that is used outdoors should be weatherproof.